La la la. If we finish cleaning, Mom and Dad will take us for ice cream tonight. Ben, you must be careful. You can break something.
Let me see the vase. No! Be careful! Oh no!
This vase is very valuable. Dad told us that.
The two of them will be punished.
Oh no! It's scary.
It is not my fault. You picked up the vase. No, it is your fault. You hit my hand. Hey, you should hold it more carefully.
Too bad. I don't want to argue with you anymore. But what should we do with Dad's vase now? Quick, Ben. We must fix it. I found some glue. Be careful. Hurry, don't drop it. Is it enough glue? Oh no, it looks strange. Wait, I can make it better. Oh no, I tried to glue the vase, but it still looks bad.
Oh no! Mom and Dad are home! Quick, put it in the cabinet.
Hi, kids. We are home. Did you finish cleaning the house?
We're back, everyone.
Yes, we finished cleaning. Why are you home so early?
My favorite TV show is on now, so I came home early to watch it. Hey, where is the TV remote? I could have sworn it rolled under here. Do you think it is inside the TV cabinet?
Oh
no! Dad, I just cleaned this area. The remote is not in here.
I think I saw the remote upstairs.
Okay, I will go upstairs and check.
That was close. We must hide the vase somewhere else. This place is not safe.
Look, the curtain is very dark. Nobody can see it behind there.
What are you doing, kids? It is very hot. I will open the window for some fresh air. It's lovely to see you.
Oh no! Mom will see the broken vase. We must do something. Mom! Mom! Ben has a stomachache. Oh no. My stomach really hurts.
What happened, Ben?
Mom, my stomach hurts a lot.
Come with me. You need some rest.
Phew. Mom is gone. But where can we hide the vase?
Is that Dad? Is he coming downstairs? Oh no! Dad will see the broken vase.
Hey, why did you say I had a stomachache?
I should say, I need to use the bathroom if I want to come downstairs.
We have no ideas left. Where can we hide it now? I don't know. How about the microwave? Mom said it was broken, so nobody can use it now. Quick, let's put it in there. Phew, we are safe now. No one can find it here.
Ben? Aren't you in the toilet? Still hurt? Wait, let me microwave the food, then we eat.
Oh no!
Wait, this microwave was broken. I cannot use it.
Phew!
Oh, I forgot. I already called the repairman.
Oh my god!
Mom, Ben hurt his leg. Ouch! My leg hurts.
What happened to your leg?
Mom, it hurts a lot.
Come with me. You need some rest.
This place is not safe. Where can we hide the vase now? Wait, the bedroom. This place is perfect. This must be the safest place.
Do you still have any pain?
I feel much better now.
That is good. I will make dinner now.
Hey, Ben, I hid the vase under your bed.
Will we be okay?
We will be fine. Phew. We finally finished everything. But why does Dad not know the vase is gone? Dad really likes that vase. It is very valuable, too. That does not matter now. We only need to deal with the vase. Then we can say a thief took it. Okay, we will deal with the vase tomorrow. Now I will go back to my room and sleep. Kids, did you change the bed sheets? I don't want to change yet. I will change tomorrow.
I am free now. I will help you change.
Mom, can you help me for a minute? What do you need? I think there is a strange noise in the hallway. A strange noise? Yes, I heard it a moment ago. I do not hear anything. Maybe it stopped now. You look strange today. Haha, just tired. Okay, go to bed. I'm gonna sleep. Good night. Mom is in her room. Is the vase safe? Every place is unsafe. Ben, let's throw it away now. Okay, parents are asleep. Let's throw the vase away now. Tomorrow, we will say someone stole it. Watch out for Mom and Dad. I will find a flashlight and throw the vase away.
What was that noise? Wait. Is that my vase?
Uh-oh, it was the cat. Yes, the cat knocked the vase down.
It's me. I opened the window and forgot to close it.
Do you want to tell me something?
Dad, we broke the vase this morning. We tried to fix it before you came home. We hid it all day, moving it from place to place. Tonight, we wanted to throw it away and say a thief took it. We are sorry, Mom and Dad.
This vase is not valuable at all. I only said that because I did not want you to play with things in the house.
Really?
Yeah, we worried too much for nothing.
But we must talk. Breaking the vase is not the worst thing.
Hiding the truth all day is.
We are sorry, Dad, Mom. We will tell the truth next time.
Okay, go to sleep now. We will clean up this mess tomorrow.
We made a huge mess today. Lying is the worst thing in the world.
It's time for new words. Read out loud with me.
Vase, vase, vase. A vase is a beautiful pot. We put water and flowers in it. Cabinet, cabinet, cabinet. A cabinet is a box with doors. We put things like cups, clothes, or books inside it. Curtain, curtain, curtain. A curtain is a big cloth for a window. We pull it to block the sun or sleep. Microwave, microwave, microwave. A microwave is a kitchen machine. It helps us make cold food hot very fast. Flashlight, flashlight, flashlight. A flashlight is a small light. We hold it in our hand to see in the dark.
Let's read out loud one more time. Vase, cabinet, curtain, microwave, flashlight.
Do you remember all? Spend 5 minutes every day to study. Do you like this video? If yes, give a like, share, and subscribe to see more videos. Bye!